Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on location text on photos in this device. So first, for sure you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or to the mobile data, and also you should just enable the location of your device. That's a really important thing, so don't forget about that. And now just we'll launch our camera application, and now we'll just go here to the settings, to the burger menu, and just we'll tap here to the settings icon and scroll a little bit down, and in any other general settings, on the general settings section, we get the save location info. Just tap here to the switcher once, and now you can give it allow camera to access to device's location. You can just tap to deny or to the only while using this app. And now we'll go back to the camera and we'll take a picture. And now we'll just go to the our photos to see the information about our location of this photo. Now just here go to the on the down right corner to the more icon and tap on the details, and as can you see here, we got our currently location, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.